Yo, what's up guys, and today I'm here with AJ and we're gonna talk about chatbots. And AJ, could you please tell me a little bit what this is and what can it replace?
Ballin', I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it, that is no discussion, bitch, I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama, I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas. Bitch, I'm ballin'.
My name's AJ and I'm a digital marketer. So in this video I'll be talking with Reinis and I'll be talking about what chatbots are and how businesses can use them to grow their business and get more leads as well.
So you pretty much told me about, I'm sorry to interrupt, but you pretty much told me about chatbots in the Young Hustlers chat, and he had this point that it could be the next email marketing.
Exactly, yeah. So with email marketing, it's more for the older generation because people younger people are less likely to open their emails and stuff like that. But the open rates for chatbots are way above what the open rate for emails are. So it's basically just like email marketing where you're subscribed to the list, but instead of getting your offers sent through email or messages sent through your email, you just get it through your Facebook Messenger.
And right now, much more people use and check their Facebook Messenger than their email.
Yeah, exactly.
And then yeah, we have our notifications on, so when somebody sends something to us, we're gonna be on there.
Yes, exactly. Right? Yeah, the open rates are incredibly high, and there's not many people using chatbots as well, so it's still a growing place, so you can get in early, which allows you to make it more beneficial to you as well.
Yes. So if you actually created your own chatbot, and I have got it pulled up on my screen right now. Guys, you can see that too. And tell me a little bit how it works and what should I do and how to use it for the people that are watching us and might not be aware.
Okay, so when you message someone's page, so this could be a restaurant page or something like that, but
a business.
For mine, it's a public figure page. So you say message page, and then you have the option to get started. So when you click get started, you're subscribed to my list, and then you get all that messages are already pre-recorded. So as soon as you send that, it's instant. So if you go through it, it gives you the option. So it introduces myself, right? And then
you can see it on my screen, it introduces him, and then it's basically you can customize to whatever you ever wanted to say, whether you want it to be an introduction or whether you wanted to, talk about your product, whatever the hell. And the good thing about it is instant, and right now you can see on the screen it says learn more about me, a free ebook, talk to me, and pretty much you can choose whatever you want. It can be a new way of FAQ, if there's a lot of questions a lot of people ask you on Messenger, they can pretty much click the FAQ button and ask their question, and it's gonna respond them in a message, right?
Yeah, if it's a common message, you can have a pre-recorded answer to it. So instead of having to answer every time, so for a restaurant, if they say what are the opening times, and then the message would automatically go through, and the owner doesn't have to reply to it, or what's your menu, and then a copy of the menu would go through. So it would be instant and more beneficial to the owner as well as the customer as well.
Yeah, actually, how far can you go and have those those buttons to press? Can it be until infinity? You know what I mean? Whatever, when I click one button, can.
Yeah, I think it's 3, but this is, so I use the platform called ManyChat. It's one of it is the most used chatbot service. It has paid options as well as free options. I'm on the free options right now, but the paid options are also quite cheap, around $10 for up to 500 subscribers or something like that. Yeah, so what I've done is I've had 3 buttons. So first, it's the introduction paragraph where I'm introduced, and then I've put a little delay between, so you can't see it obviously, so it gives people time to read the first introduction, and then after 3-4 seconds, the next bit says what would you like to do, and it comes through. So it gives them time.
I was reporting what happened.
Exactly. Yeah, and then after that, it's either learn more about me, which leads me to my page which has all of my information in.
Yeah.
And it's a free ebook, but I haven't finished the ebook yet, so I think that just takes me to my Instagram page. Yeah, and then it's talk to me. So talk to me, what happens is when you click talk to me, I say hi, and then you have the option to carry on a conversation with me. And then what I can do is, after you say hi, I believe there's a message saying I'm not here at the moment, but no, there is no message. So what happens
Because
is
you're online right now.
Exactly. Yeah, so what happens is I get sent a notification saying this person wants to talk with me, and then I can take over the conversation from there.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this bot is like fairly basic. There's so much more that you can do with the bot. So you can add them to sequences. So when someone first subscribes to you, you can have a process and a system where you take them through that
pretty
system.
much like email, right?
Yeah, basically, but this is all, so it's all like automized and everything. So
It's instant.
Yeah.
And then it's much easier to like get leads because for a lot of people, they don't want to give up their emails and then their personal information, but they're here. You just have to message them on Facebook, and with emails, of course, you're gonna get something back because like it's you're gonna get into some kind of bait. Like for example, me was those 2 free ebooks. For example, you also have an ebook. But with this, it's like, you know, they collect your Facebook Messenger leads, and right now it seems innocent. The same thing was happening with email back in the day. Like, I'm just gonna give my email, you know, what bad can happen. But right now, after this is gonna go viral, huge, right? Yeah. You're gonna have to be careful who you message because everybody's gonna be collecting your information, and then yeah. But I would like actually see this introduced to kind of maybe Instagram as well, because with Facebook Messenger, as I've talked to in previous episodes, us millennials, we kind of see Facebook as old people like platforms like MySpace, to be honest, for us, and something like that on Instagram for example, like for a guy like me who has like mostly his audience in the 16 to 24 range. That would be much better.
Yeah, so
But
yeah, so I use mainly Instagram as well, and then like getting that chatbot into Instagram would be great, but I don't think Facebook will be doing something like that.
Yeah. So, AJ, do you think there's anything you want to mention about this?
Chatbots, especially the fact that the open rates are crazy high. You're new to the market, so you get in as soon as you can before the big companies start doing it, and that way you'll have an advantage.
Yeah. And they ruin everything.
Exactly.
As always.
Yeah, they do. So the most consumers aren't like exposed or to this type of advertising before. So get in as soon as you can. So
Yeah, they probably won't, because like in Instagram, it's like a build to be a platform with less spam and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, if you want to see me build my chatbot as well, and you know, put that shit on live, you should like subscribe below and click the like button. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna have a video on AJ's channel, so make sure you check it out. The link's gonna be in the description. Go over to his YouTube channel and see what's in the video. AJ, can you give him a little preview where we're gonna be talking about?
Yeah, so in my video we will be talking about how to grow your social media as a personal trainer and a fitness influencer, and how you can make money through your social media as, you know, as fitness and a social person.